Okay, this is a quick little video showing you how to turn the fridge on. There's a couple of different steps. First, you have to turn the gas on. So it's gonna be turned all the way this way. You would turn it all the way that way. Okay, and then you close the door. And you come inside. So there's air in the gas lines at this point. So the first thing you have to do is make the gas come through. You do that by turning this on and then lighting up. It's gonna be a long time, and then eventually that will turn on. Okay. This is you have to have the power on. Okay, so you'll turn this on here. Well, this isn't reading out the same way, but turn this on here, and then you go through mode until it goes to LP gas. Okay, put the temp set on, and you go up to 9, so it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And after a minute, it'll go back to the LP gas. And, yep, you're good. If it says fault, then you just turn it on and go into the mode again, and eventually it will go back to the LP gas in the top right. Alrighty, thank you.